Hi, welcome to Watsons Get Active Expert Tips, World Diabetic Exclusive. My name is Ruby, Watsons Pharmacist. Finger pricking to draw blood sample is a must step in blood sugar testing. However, improper technique of using lancing device can result in more pain. So today, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to improve finger pricking experience during blood sugar testing. Number 1. Choosing the right lancing device with a fine needle and less vibration can help to ensure smooth needle penetration and retraction during pricking. The larger the gauge number, the finer the needles. The needle's diameter are shown on the packaging box. Number 2. Choose the right depth setting in the lancing device based on your skin thickness. The larger the number indicated, the deeper needle will go into your skin. For first-time user, you may choose to start with depth number 1 or 2 and gradually increase until you can draw sufficient amount of blood to fill the test strips. With this, you will know the most suitable depth number for your next blood sugar testing. Number 3. Choose the right finger pricking side. It is recommended to prick on the side of the fingertip of the third or fourth finger as there are lesser nerve endings, so this will result in less pain. Number 4. Never reuse your needles. Needles get blunt with each prick, and reusing a blunt needle can cause additional tissue damage, and this can result in more pain. Number 5. You may also consider using a lancing device with no needle exposure to minimize accidental needle injury and to ensure safety disposal of needle at all times. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.